let's see. So, hello everyone, this is Tab. I want my face clean, not myself clean. Let me clean the eyes, face, my neck. I want to try the primer and the powder, and also I want to cover the brows. Let's cover the brows today. I want to clean my face with water, but I don't want to stand up, so I'm gonna use cotton pods and water. Yuck. Still had some hair here. Okay, this step is done. Then while it's drying, let's apply something to the lips. Because usually when I don't apply something to the lips, they get too dry. For the lips today, I'm gonna use this one. This is Medela Borderland, but we're not gonna use it on my nipples like this. Okay, just a bit here. Looks good, I think. What is next? I want to try the primer. So redness, let's use redness again, and Makeup Forever palette. So let's do this redness, craziness, remove it from other face with a brush, also with a powder. Concealer buffer, let's use this one. On the full face makeup, just in these areas. Go messy today, not OCD as I usually do. Good. It's a bit dark in the bottom when I'm using my brush. Too close to, sorry. Okay, and these spots here. Okay, should be good. Sometimes people do like the bottom part, but I don't have so much. What is it? Masculinity in me? I don't know. Let me put here and here. Good. Let me set it with powder to hide all this redness. How is it translucent? Do you think it's translucent? It's like white. I mean, it's covered in red. If it's translucent, it will just hide the shine, but still be pretty red. Definitely not translucent. And it's weird, I did not apply primer here for the full face. Maybe I would need to do it's doubled. What do you think? Do you see red? I don't think so. Do you see my lips? I think you do see my lips. They kind of getting drier right now. I all the time forget to look at you guys, so don't worry about that. Next step, brow. Okay, I'm gonna use the wet sponge by Makeup Forever. Let's see how it's gonna work. Ooh, this is pretty tan and yellow. It's more on the yellow side compared to my natural tone. As I said, who am I to judge? Look at that. Look amazing. I don't think so, but thank you. Is it my powder? No, it's definitely not my shade. I got NYX like long time ago. It's kind of like white, but maybe I'm gonna turn it in something better looking. And I need to mix it with something. Let me see. But it's better. And that orange could work. Let's see if it destroys the foundation, because it's kind of like less pigmented. Let me see. Maybe it's because I put a brush on. Yeah, it might be. It's flying everywhere. Be careful. Okay, where's my dirty brushes? I'm gonna go. Oh, I've been in IKEA today, so I pick up some buckets for my brushes, so I might use this one for my dirty brushes. I mean, it's not like bad. It is better. I cooled it down a bit with pink, I think, or pink white. I don't know what shade of the Pro adjuster it is by NYX. And why NYX you stopped to sell them? I didn't find anything on the official website about them anymore. I also purchased it, like this one I purchased in the store, but long time ago. It was like 4 years maybe, or maybe 3. And I never thought about using them. Well, I mean, I used them, but I thought that it's a foundation, so I put it on my face and it was like too bright, and I was like, what is going on? What I need to do that? I was like, okay, next. So I put it in the pocket, and it was lying down there for like the rest of the time. So I just picked it up and put it in my drawers right here. And I was like, okay, I need to move this shit somewhere, because it's taking too much of my closet space, and it's just not gonna be used, and I'm gonna throw it away, since if it's not used once, it's never in my case. I mean, the coverage is good. I like it. You know, I don't see any beard anymore. I can still see my eyebrows where it been, and some of them is already falling down. I probably did something wrong again, but the foundation is not bad. I mean, the color what I picked up was right. It might help me. Since I don't have hair here after I shave them, I might want to blend it as well. What's next? They claim it is kind of like a shape tape. I don't know about shape tape. Maybe it will be offended by this. But right now, it looks fine. I mean, the brush is a bit dry. Let me blend it with a sponge, but I already have a lot of foundation here. Let me use concealer buffer. Okay, let me put a bit on my eye here as well, like this. Okay, blend it here. Okay, right here as well. Okay, and let's go ahead and use a sponge a bit to blend it better. Ooh, I don't know. I kind of look the same with the foundation. What do you think? Do I look the same? Let's see here. Maybe I look the same because I'm using the brush with foundation. The sponge, not the brush. And it covers the one I highlighted. What is this one doing? I don't like it. Sorry, makeup forever. The bottom one is like, ooh, it's too harsh. Okay, contour. Let's do contour. Let's me try to use the stick. Want to use the stick one? Or did I put too much? What do I use for buffer? I don't know. Let's use this one. Oh, looks good. Let's try again. I like how it blends. Okay, this one sharper compared to this one. Let me go ahead with a bit of foundation and probably concealer. Which one did I lose? Let me try the cream blush. Oh, I'm gonna use Elf again. Last time it was crazy. Do you remember the video on TikTok? Use one dot right here. One. And I put, you see how powerful it is. I mean, we still need to do contour at the top. Let me first blend this one soft. And now I can build on a bit more. Put a bit more. This one is nice. So this is the second dot. Don't do more. 4 will definitely kill it. Could not like blend it. See, this one is already powerful enough. I feel like I'm drying. I don't know, maybe it's foundation or something, but it's definitely dries. Let's continue with contour. See? Soft and good, it blends good. Let's do second side. I don't know, I don't have brows here, but looks like I do. On nose, what about nose? Do I want to switch a brush or want to just from this one into one? Yeah, I want to switch one. Let's do like really nose, long and strong. Let me add a little bit more here underneath and maybe here. Okay, and let's blend it a bit here. The lights. Oh, too much lights everywhere. Do we need to do this one? So creamy, so kind of melting to my skin. As you can see, it's not bad at all. I mean, the shades, coverage, the sculpting on the face works fine so far. Okay. Good. Do I need to blend it better over here? I might need to blend it right here to not create another beard on my face. So let's move to powder. Again, do I want to use translucent? Let's use translucent under eyes. This is Fit Me compact powder, as you can see. I mean, it shows the texture. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I like it. It kind of dries under my eyes. But I don't know if it's like powder doing that or it's foundation, my mistake. Bright and bright. What? Oh yeah, I want to do like underneath here. Sharp mom. Let's start to use like cheap products and do something wonderful with them. I mean, if you can do it with trash product. Not trash. They're wonderful products. I definitely like this one. It is a good quality, but it's cheap. And I don't care about that. Okay, powder. I became a bit light, but might be good to be light a bit. Okay, it's probably too main face. Let's apply something else on top. What do I want to apply? Want to apply contour? Is it more contour or bronzer? Looks like bronzer. And we will use more blush after I kind of blend the contour. I don't know, let's leave it like this. Also want to try this one. I think after the previous one, I'm gonna use something else. It's not gonna make me perfect. No, it smells perfume. Blush. Nothing, I guess. Okay, blush is there. Highlighter. Let's do the setting spray first, like this one. Mist and Fix. Okay, not bad. Much better compared to what I used before, and it was like. For the highlighter today, Makeup Forever. Does better job compared to all the hours. Let me find a brush for the highlighter. Does it change anything? I mean, I see it change the color, but I don't see it highlights. I mean, it's so soft. Let me do this one. I mean, I have so much powder here. It already doesn't want to shine. It does shine a bit. Oh yeah, it definitely shines. That's it. Ooh, for eyes. Let's do something fun for eyes today. Okay, looks good. Let's switch to another brush and apply lighter. And let me add some sparkle. And that's it. Easy job. Small brush to blend a bit dark here. Good, let's try to do the same on the other side. Fast. Good. Yeah, we want to do lashes. So eyes, sorry guys, when I do eyes I'm so concentrated I don't pay attention to anything. Okay, this one, let's go. I just purchased this mascara by L'Oreal and to say I love it so far. You see with lashes, even without like drawing anything inside the eye, it's already better. Okay, let's just can I look, these lashes is amazing. I forgot to talk and become so quiet. Let's do eyebrows. What we're gonna do for eyebrows. Me do it right here. I don't know why they do mirror here. In this mirror I cannot see anything. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, thank you for the mirror. For very useful mirror. I mean, I draw a brow. Let me try to draw another one like this. Okay, let's do lips. Let's try the Makeup Forever red pencil. I think I already tried it. Let's see. Okay. Let me try the lipsticks. Should be crazy red. My lips on until one boom boom. And this is much better. Okay, let's leave it like this. Good. Good lips. Let them try it. I'm gonna be made. The powder is too light. Brows is too bad. Ooh, I put a bit too much. I think here I kind of got into the brow. This one starts to shine. Maybe I need to bring here as well. And it's Marilyn Monroe all over again since I used the red lips. This is probably for bridal fixing. It fixed me pretty bad. Okay. Let me try some hair. So this is the final look what I created today and I hope you like it guys. Otherwise I'm gonna suck your blood. La 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 la. That's it.